Bayern Munich's 1-0 victory over Borussia Dortmund in Tuesday's Der Klassiker in Bundesliga was a close affair. It was the first 1-0 win of the season for the free-scoring Bayern. Dortmund, just as dangerous, failed to find the net at home for the first time in 38 matches. Two teams with a total of 155 goals between them this season produced just one goal. The game that was touted as the battle between flamboyant forwards Erling Haaland and Robert Lewandowski didn't produce the fireworks. Although Bayern would happily settle for the outcome despite it not being as emphatic as usual. They would know that in a game of fine margins they could easily have been at the wrong end of the result. Both teams enjoyed 50% possession, both had 13 shots in the game and both teams almost covered the same distance in the game, Dortmund, 121.4 km to Bayern's 121.3 km. Battle for ascendancy. Lucien Favre switched to a back three for the game as Dortmund lined up in 3-4-3 formation. It was a ploy to not just have an extra man in central defense but also overload the flanks where the Bayern full-backs Alphonse Davies and Benjamin Pavard loved to bomb forward in attack. Placing the attack-minded Rafael Guerreiro and Achraf Hakimi in the wing-back roles, Favre's plan was to give the Bayern full-backs plenty to deal with. The plan seemed to work in the first 20 minutes as Dortmund were often able to get behind the high Bayern defensive line using the extra men on the wings. Thorgan Hazard and Lucien Bratt, who tucked inside and played between the lines, combined well with the wing-backs to cause Bayern problems, who often lost their form during Dortmund's transitions. Dortmund, in the first 20 minutes, were able to beat Bayern's high press and catch the visitors high up the pitch. Hakimi's threat down the right-hand side for Dortmund actually kept Davies at bay. In the first half, Pavard was the more advanced fullback for Bayern. Trending.